Welcome back, everybody. Thank you for watching another video. Tonight we're going to be checking out this awesome budget folding EDC knife from Sencut. This is the Slybolt. And as always, guys, if at the ending of the video you want to purchase this awesome knife from Sencut and help support the channel, make sure you check out the link in the description below because we do get a commission if you purchase this knife. And of course, before getting started, just want to thank the good folks out at Sencut for sending me this knife to review. Let's get started. Let's begin with some quick size references just so you get a better idea for the overall size of this knife. Here it is next to a large permanent marker. Here's a quick look at them vertically next to each other so you can compare the diameter of the pen next to the knife. Let's get a rough measurement here with the blade closed. Looks like we got just about 4 3/4 inches long. Now with the blade open. And back to vertical. And let's get a rough measurement here with the blade open. Looks like we got just about 8 1/4 inches overall length with the blade open. Let's have a look down on the top of the knife, just so you get a better idea for the overall thickness of this knife. All right, here's a pair of chopsticks. This is the thicker side, and it looks to be about the same thickness as that. Let's run a ruler across here and see what this reads at from scale to scale, just about 1/2 inch wide. Let's have a look at the thickness of the blade over in the thumb ramp area, and it looks to be just about the same thickness as a US nickel. Let's run a ruler across the thumb ramp area, and it looks like we got just about 1/8 of an inch thick. Let's get this knife on the scale so you know how much weight you're going to be carrying around. Coming in at 3.7 ounces. And just in case you're wondering what 3.7 ounces might feel like in your hands or your pocket, well, weighs almost as much as a deck of cards. This knife comes in 3 different color variations. This is the green micarta with black finish. There's also a blue micarta with satin finish and a black G10 with satin finish. But we all know this is the best color combination. Let's have a look at your opening mechanisms. You can utilize the dual thumb studs or the crossbar lock. So you can dig your thumb in to the left or the right side. They're going to have cutouts on both sides, and just rotate the blade around, lock it into place. Or you can just dig your thumbs in, flick it open. Then to use the crossbar lock, you just pull back, swing it open, let it go. Here's a closer look at your locking mechanism. This crossbar lock is one of the strongest out there, and it can be activated from the left or the right side. And all you're going to do is pull it back to free the blade, and as it's swinging around, you're going to see it lock into place. And then to disengage the blade, you just pull back, let it fall. As expected, the opening action on this knife is incredibly smooth and quick because the blade is pivoting on a caged ceramic ball bearing system. Let's have a look up front at this absolutely sinister looking clip point blade. Starting off over in the thumb ramp area, really long jimping area. I'm going to turn it sideways so you guys can check that out. Nice feel. Look at the point that comes down to. Absolutely intimidating. Nice black finish. Pretty much got a high flat grind. Shoulder is way up here. Flat grind, right? There's no curvature here on your knife flats. So it's going to be real easy to sharpen this big belly. It's going to be perfect for slicing. Sharpening choil here makes it very easy to sharpen from the tip all the way down to the heel. Steel being used up front is a high carbon stainless steel 9CR18 MOV. 18% chromium is going to give you outstanding corrosion resistance. Incredibly easy to sharpen and maintain good toughness. And as we're going to see, takes a nice edge. Going to bring you guys in closer so you can check out this green micarta. And I love this idea. A premium scale handle material on a budget steel. Nicely done. Micarta is great in just about every weather condition, especially when it gets a little bit wet. Gorgeous handle design though. Gonna drop you guys down here into the handle so you can check out the full length liners. You see that they are skeletonized on both sides to save on weight. Now, as far as your grip dynamics go, fairly neutral here, right? Starts off kind of flat. You got a little hump here, angles down, swings around to a pretty much wide open grip down here. Just a single finger choil up here. So 1 in the front, 4 in the back. A little bit longer knife, but once you get it in your hands, it feels well balanced and comfortable to grip onto. Love this color combination of this dark green micarta with the black hardware, matching liners, and blade finish. Let's have a look at the back of the knife here. Right, they went with standoffs to use as back spacers, and they have punched a lanyard hole that goes through the micarta handles and the liners. Here's a closer look at your pocket clip. All right, gonna turn that sideways so you can see the profile. Like how they've milled in a relief to kind of fit that pocket clip in there. Now this is reversible to the other side. And this will be tip up carry only. Here's a quick look at what this knife is going to look like when you jam it down into your pocket. Deep carry. Absolutely vanishes. Let's do some cutting with this factory edge. Couple of slices in here. Nice and smooth. Very nice. No toothiness. Gonna turn this around. Oh yeah. Nice and smooth, guys. Should have no problems with this 550 Paracord. Gonna put it right on the belly. Easy. Alright, I got some spare cardboard. Should have no problems getting through that. Big old belly, just gonna go slice across this way. Can I get one more? Yes, I can. Easy. Once again, guys, this has been the Slybolt from Sencut. If you're looking for a new folding EDC knife that's slim, it's going to be real easy to carry around in your pocket. It's got great slicing ability and a really strong locking mechanism. This could be a great option for you. Well, alright guys, this is the ending of the video. Remember, if you want to purchase this awesome knife from Sencut, make sure to check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.